Look at this, guys. We got all this for free. We have ESPs. Let me drag this up there. ESPs, player, no clip, guys. We can go through the walls. So as you can see, it works amazing, guys. Let me try to unlock third person and let's zoom out. There we go, guys. Hey your people, what is up and welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how I got the latest script for Dead Rails game on Roblox. Guys, we will get it absolutely free, safe and online without downloading any modded APKs or any software. So guys, I will show you everything step by step how you can actually get this, and later we will test it, does it actually work. So you can do it with your Android or your iOS devices, or even with your PC. It works perfectly for all these devices. So go to Google or any browser you got for start and navigate to this website. It's called bloxforge.com. You will find it easily, guys. And then let's click on browse scripts. So click there on Dead Rails. And guys, there we will have to enter our Roblox user ID. So if you don't know how to find your Roblox user ID, just click here how to find it. Or like, let me quickly show you. So go to roblox.com and go to your user page and just copy your user link. So when you copy this, get back there and just click on this button and it will automatically scrape and paste only your user ID. So just click continue and it should start searching for our user account. So as you can see, user found. You should get this message, guys. So nice, there we go, we're connected on our account. That's my name and that's my avatar. So guys, now if you have already any executor into your Roblox, just click I already have a different executor. If you already have Delta executor, just click here yes. Or if you don't have any executor, just click no, as it's selected default. So we will import Delta executor and then we will get script for Dead Rails. So just click on, and now we will select Dead Rails script that we want to get installed on our Delta executor. I will select Forge Hub and Nikius, guys. These two are the best scripts. So I will select this and just click continue. So allow it up to 15 seconds to connect API, and make sure to subscribe to my channel in order to stay updated with all these kind of reviews and tutorials. I will record it more. So yeah, nice, guys, there we go. API is connected and we got our activation key generated. Nice, guys. So we will have a few minutes to complete this bot captcha because there is a lot of malicious bot attempts. So just click I'm not a robot, guys, and it should redirect us to the manual verification, and it's the last step until we receive our Dead Rails script. So guys, it's one-time verification, so you don't have to worry. And we will have a list of 6 free tasks, and we will have to complete only 2 tasks from this list, guys. So it's by your choice. You can literally complete whatever you like. So what will I do? I will download TikTok and Merge Gardens. So how will I do it? Just click free, just click go, and it will start downloading from Google Play if you're using your Android phone, and if you're using your iOS, it will start downloading from the App Store. So it's all free and from the official publishers, so you don't have to worry. And one more important step is, guys, to follow their instructions, for each task. So for TikTok, I will download and install this, then run it for 30 seconds. And for Merge Gardens, I will install it and reach level 9. So guys, that's pretty much it. What will I do now? See when I complete these 2 tasks. Be right back. So let's see together what will happen and does it actually work.
1 minute later.
Okay guys, I've just completed this and this task from this list, as I said, TikTok and Merge Gardens, and I have followed their instructions and I got this message, guys. You completed 2 tasks successfully along this redirecting text, guys. I'm still waiting for about 1 minute and nothing happened. It should redirect us every single second, so let's see, does it actually work? We will wait, and nice, guys, there we go. Verification successful. Thank you for passing the bot check. Our user ID connected and our key connected. Nice. So now we will open our Roblox and we will test, does it actually work? So let's see, is it actually legit? We will open our Dead Rails and click play. So guys, we can test 2 scripts that we was selected. Nice, there we go. We got our Delta executor imported, and most important thing, we got Forge Hubs as we selected and Nikius. So guys, we will test now, does it actually work? So we will open one game from there, we'll go live. I will select party. Let's open party size 1 and let's wait this countdown to start the game. And then guys, I will start Forge Hub and then we'll test NICUs. So guys, we will use few of them, of their features, and let's see how does it work. So let's load up. Okay, there we go. And now guys, we will click on Forge Hub. Let's click execute and let's see what happened. There we go guys, game detected dead rails. Now script is opening and we will use all these amazing features. There we go. Look at this guys, we got all this for free. We have ESPs, let me drag this up there. ESPs, player, no clip guys, we can go through the walls. So as you can see, it works amazing guys. Let me try to unlock third person and let's zoom out. There we go guys. We unlocked third person and it's going through the walls as you can see. And now let's test another script. It's NICUs. Just click execute guys and let's close this. And there we go guys. As you can see, it works amazing. We got both scripts for free and we got really amazing options. We can do literally whatever we like. Auto heal, like literally crazy guys. So that's pretty much it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed and found it helpful. If you do, make sure to like this video, to comment down below and to subscribe to my channel. And once again, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.